Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum, a lightweight and versatile cleaning solution designed for homes that need powerful suction without the hassle of cords. If you're searching for a vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors while also transforming into a handheld cleaner, this model deserves your attention. The Dyson V8 is powered by Dyson's digital motor technology, delivering up to 115 air watts of suction power. This allows it to capture dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tile, rugs, or carpets, the V8 is designed to provide consistent performance throughout your cleaning session. One of the biggest advantages of this vacuum is its cordless design. Without a power cord limiting your movement, you can easily clean multiple rooms, stairs, furniture, and even your car. The vacuum offers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, making it suitable for everyday cleaning tasks around the home. The Dyson V8 includes two power modes. Standard mode provides efficient cleaning with longer battery life, while Max mode delivers stronger suction for stubborn dirt and deep carpet cleaning. This flexibility allows users to adapt the vacuum's performance to different cleaning situations. Another standout feature is the advanced detangling technology. Hair and pet fur are automatically removed from the brush bar as you clean, helping reduce maintenance and preventing frustrating tangles. This makes the V8 especially appealing for pet owners and households with long hair. The vacuum quickly converts into a handheld cleaner, expanding its usefulness beyond floors. You can clean sofas, mattresses, shelves, curtains, car interiors, and tight spaces with ease. The included attachments make it simple to reach difficult areas and improve overall cleaning versatility. Dyson's fully sealed filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, helping maintain cleaner air inside your home. Dust and debris are collected in the bin, which can be emptied hygienically with a simple point-and-shoot mechanism, minimizing contact with dirt. Despite its strong performance, the Dyson V8 remains lightweight and easy to maneuver. The balanced design reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, making it comfortable for everyday use. Overall, the Dyson V8 cordless vacuum combines powerful suction, cordless convenience, versatile handheld functionality, effective filtration, and useful detangling technology into a compact package. For users seeking a premium cordless vacuum that performs well on both carpets and hard floors, the Dyson V8 remains one of the most trusted options available. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product through the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews and buying guides here on Gadgetverse.